This is a 2-pack lamp set, and these are perfect for nightstands, which is where we have it here. I got this in the black finish, and it's really nice modern look. We were looking to replace some lamps that had gotten damaged when one was knocked over. And the thing that I love most about this is that you have the 2 USB plugins, and you also have a regular outlet plug-in here. And it's a really nice, clean look. I got the black with the white shade. And something I really like about this is that there are different settings. So I'm going to take you through all of these. This is the low setting right here. This is the medium. And then here is the highest setting. So it really does give a good amount of light. And I'm really very happy with these lamps. I think they are really good value because you get the set of 2. And I also just love having the ability, because most of us charge things on the nightstand at the end of the day, so it's really convenient. One thing I will say is that the bulb that came with this lamp, there was a bulb with each one, and it was 5000 K, which I'm not a big fan of. It comes off a little bit too cool. For me, I like more of a 4000 K bulb, so I am going to replace that with a different light bulb where I can adjust the color temperature. Other than that, I've been very happy with this set of lamps, and you can see that it has a round finial on top and adjusts nicely. It just looks really good, and they came to me in great shape. So I'm really happy with this set of lamps. It's a really good value.